Hey, this is Jay of DeFi Journey. Guys, got a quick video for you today. Just wanted to go over another option for providing some liquidity on Osmosis, going through Magma Vaults. So if you heard of Magma, it's a project I think by Don Kryptonium. So you see it right here. Still pretty early, so on Twitter only got 700 followers, but actually I just noticed, so if you go to Osmosis and if you want to provide liquidity, so like if you want to do Atom and Stride Atom, you hit a position, and they actually have it on here now for manage. There used to be those other options for like Quasar, but now you get the manage for Magma, but it just takes you to the Magma link. So if you want to just go to Magma, you can just follow that there. I'll drop a link in the description for the video. But I just want to go through how to do this and how you can get some really good yield right now, especially on Atom. Atom is holding at the low right now. You can do a quick look at the price, about $4 right now, but it's in like this channel we're always like. So if you want to buy some and you to earn some yield, but right here you can kind of see how it's more of an efficient way for pooling. So if I wanted to go to here, if I look at Atom, I want to find a place to add for some yield. So you can see these right here as your popular ones with the TVL. So this one, D Atom, you get the Stride Atom, and you can see who the managers are. So Kryptonium, so those are some of the popular ones, and then you got ones with Atom UCC. But if we just go to the top one, and I want to have a more of a stable one, so I'm going to do this one. One's pretty popular. I think it's one of the top TVLs as well. And so you got Atom, and it's Drop Atom. So I looked it up, and Drop Atom. So D Atom, you can see it. This Drop Atom, you can see it here also on Osmosis. And the same thing if you look at the token. So that anything you want to see, you can just go to Assets. I'm going to do D Atom, and you can see that Drop Staked Atom looks like it's a competitor to Stride Atom. You can see it's been around, I think, 9 months or so. But yeah, from what I looked at online, it looks pretty good. Obviously, there's risk with anything you do, but I was looking at it. It seemed pretty good to me. And so what I want to do is I want to just take some of my portfolio and get some more yield here. Because anywhere else, 50% right now is pretty good. I wanted to do 100 total atoms worth. I could do, so even if you do 100, it's not going to quite be, or like, so it would be 92, oops, and 7.3, so that would get me pretty close to 100. So I want to provide liquidity here, and so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just swap on Osmosis, get some D Atom, and provide liquidity. So here we go. So we're going to first go, same thing, go to Osmosis, and it's all on this chain. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Atom. I got 100 Atom here. D Atom. And so I'm just going to swap. It should be pretty close to 1 for 1. Oops, not quite. So let's go 9. That'll get us close. And we're going to swap. So I'm going to swap here. Hit confirm. Do your swap. All good, and I'm just going to go back here and refresh the page. It should allow me to provide liquidity. One thing that would be nice is if they did the one-side trading, which a lot of dexes do. So if I do all this here, so yep, I got enough to do that. So just off 100, but I'm going to hit deposit. Approve the transaction. And there we go. So then see it refreshes right away. So here it was before, I was just testing it out. The nice thing about this too is it'll automatically compound any yield and just keep adding it to this. So pretty neat. It looks like a lot better option than the Quasar Vaults before. Those kept going out of range. Thanks for checking us out. Please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what other videos you want to try to see. I'm going to try to be posting a lot more here. So Thanks again. See you in the next one.